Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Mount Vernon, Illinois. This city is a regional hub where several major highways meet, making it a familiar stop for travelers crossing the Midwest. But long before modern interstates and busy traffic, this area was part of a frontier landscape of forests, prairies, and small settlements gradually spreading westward. During the 19th century, Mount Vernon developed as a trading and agricultural center for the surrounding countryside. Farmers brought crops, livestock, and goods into town, helping local businesses grow along the courthouse square. The arrival of the railroad in the mid-1800s accelerated that growth. Rail lines connected Mount Vernon to larger cities across Illinois and the Midwest, turning the town into a transportation crossroads. One of the most significant industries to shape the region was coal mining. Southern Illinois sits atop rich coal deposits, and by the late 1800s and early 1900s, mines in and around Mount Vernon employed thousands of workers. Today, Mount Vernon blends its historic roots with modern life. The downtown area still features government buildings, local businesses, and community spaces centered around the courthouse square. The city also serves as a commercial and medical hub for much of southern Illinois, drawing visitors from nearby towns for shopping, services, and healthcare. For visitors passing through, Mount Vernon offers a glimpse into the story of small city America in the Midwest, shaped by agriculture, railroads, and coal mining. Thanks for joining us on this tour of Mount Vernon, Illinois.